Hi guys and girls, so this is the latest Tonic kit. I've taken all the packaging out just to save some time, but this is the latest one and it is kit number 80 and this is called Just the Way You Are, so that's quite sweet. And it's like a scale kind of thing. I think that's the idea, is that you will create this scale, but you can use both of these for completely different things, like big baskets and stuff like that. So to start with, we have some markers to go with it. So we have Persian lime, bright sunflower, fresh watermelon, spiced orange and lemon drops. So very summery colours, very citrus fruity, if you know what I mean. So that's what it reminded me of anyway. We get a Ruby Slippers crystal drop, no, glitter drop. I think mine needs to be shaken, not stirred, but it's like a ruby red glitter in the drop, so that's very pretty. It kind of made me think of the Ruby Slippers in Wizard of Oz for some reason. And then you also get a crystal drop in the clear morning dew. So this one dries clear, so you could do this as sort of drops on flowers, that kind of thing, so it's like dew drops. Then we also get in this kit, and I'm happy about this because I need a new pair, so that works. These are fine tip, they call them bypass craft tweezers. So these are the ones that when you squeeze it, it will open, and then when you like release, it will actually then clamp. So it works the opposite way to what we typically know as tweezers, but I think people have been using these kind of tweezers for many years now, so I'm chuffed that came in the kit. This time we also get some double-sided tissue tape, which I believe is a terrible tape, not terrible, terrible. So when you put it on, you can just easily tear it, and then lift the backing off, and then you've got this nice double-sided tape. So it's called tissue tape, but I think it is for like a double-sided tape. I've never used it before, but I'm excited about that. I love adhesive. Then you do get your craft binder. I've packaged mine differently and store them differently, so I will eventually sort that out, but this is how it comes to you. So you get your sticker, which you can obviously use on the front of the cardstock wallet or on the front of this one, and then every third kit you get a little binder, which again I've done a video on what I do with that. But so there's the sticker. Then we have a citrus themed stamp set, and there's some cute little sayings in here. You're my main squeeze, you're the very best, haha, have a sweet day, and you're the zest, which I think is so sweet. So yeah, so again, the colours that have been given in the markers, you could make a variety of different fruits and citrusy fruits and things like that. Very cute, but these will coordinate with the die set. So when we're looking at the die set, you do get instructions. Let me try and hold this somewhat like a person. So the instructions are actually in the packaging. Like I say, I haven't taken any of this out, but all the pieces here are to create the little boxes. There's decorative pieces for the sides of the scales. So you have the top part of the scale and then the bottom section. And then there are lots of decorative pieces. There's a strawberry here. There's actually a die here, a couple of dies that I think will coordinate with the stamp set. They often do that, which is really handy. And then this is, I guess, the base of the main. In fact, it's probably the base of both boxes. Not boxes, both parts of the scale. And then the main scale part also has, which I think is very clever, has all the dials and again some decorative things on it. And here's the little dial, so you can say, oh yeah, it weighs this much. And I believe this is kind of the connectors for the section in the middle. So you would put that piece together to create the spacing between the two. So there's the die set. And then we have the paper, and there seems to be quite a lot in here this time. So let's see if I can get this right. So we have some apricot orange classic cardstock. I would say that's the apricot. Then we have some grass green. I'm going to go with that. So it's like a greeny sort of colour. Then we have a mustard yellow. No, I'm going to say this one is champagne. I'm going to say that's the champagne colour. This is the mustard yellow, so very bright yellow. Grass green. This one is the glitter card in sugared coral. So again, these don't shed, which is awesome, and the glitter cardstocks are so pretty, so pretty. Then we have 2 sheets of the Peer View, which is a sort of the camera doesn't do it justice, but it's kind of like a navy sort of colour. And then we have 2, well, I got 2 of the cornflower blue classic card as well. So I think that's everything in the, yeah, so I actually got 2 of those. But the kit normally would come with 1. It usually tells you whether you're getting 1 or 2 pieces. So that is this kit. I will be back, of course, when I catch up with myself some more, and I will bring you some ideas to use with this kit. So yeah, until next time, thanks for watching, and I will see you then. Bye for now.